If Steam is giving you error code 5, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your games as quickly as possible. This error usually happens when Steam can't access or modify game files because of permission problems, corrupted files, or even antivirus interference. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is run Steam as an administrator. This is often the most effective fix because it gives Steam the permissions it needs to read and update your game files properly. To do that, close Steam completely if it's already open. Then find the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click on Steam and choose Run as administrator. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes. Once Steam opens, go back and try launching the game again to see if the error is gone. If error code 5 is still showing up, the next step is to verify the integrity of the game files. This is one of the best ways to fix missing, damaged, or incomplete files that can trigger Steam errors. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the problem, then right-click it and select Properties. In the Properties menu, click Installed Files. Then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game installation and automatically replace any broken or missing files. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a little while, so let the process finish completely before testing the game again. If you still haven't fixed the issue, the next solution is to perform a full network stack reset. This is especially useful if Steam is having trouble communicating properly with your router or network connection. It does more than just clear cache. It helps re-establish a fresh connection with your network. To do this, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type CMD, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter at the same time to open Command Prompt as administrator. When the command window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache. Next, type ipconfig/release and press Enter. Your internet connection will disconnect briefly, so don't panic. That's normal. After that, type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Wait a few seconds while Windows gets a fresh network address and restores the connection. Once that is complete, close the command prompt and try Steam again. In many cases, one of these 3 fixes will solve Steam error code 5 right away. If not, it may also be worth checking your antivirus or firewall settings because security software can sometimes block Steam from writing to game folders. But for most users, running Steam as administrator, verifying the game files, and resetting the network stack will do the trick. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.